Just blew through South Haven. They're on the east side, and they're sort of wiggling here. Yeah, right? 20, 25, maybe at the most 30 miles per hour. So let's draw our storm track here. You notice the cluster of lightning southwest side of Allegan. We're going to draw this right over M89 or M40. Depends on what part of Allegan County you're in. Why don't we use our line tool to address where it's going? General motion here, we'll draw our line just on the northwest side of the action. General motion here off toward the northwest, maybe 20 miles per hour. So you're going to need to use your wipers and Hope at 556 and Rutland at 610 and Yankee Springs, of course, you're right there at 623. Let's tell you how intense the rain is using our data tool. It's coming down at about 1/4 of an inch per hour. And if we just put a little slice, give you a little sense for how tall these showers are this morning, this is just like slicing bread when you're in your kitchen this morning before maybe you toast it, talking about them being 10,000 feet vertically. So honestly, that's not that tall. Melody, how are you? Melody, do you hear that? That's the train in Kalamazoo. It's here all the time. Patty, you know you love flip-flops. We all do. Christine, howdy. Cindy, what's up? Everett, yeah, a little cold. Nothing we can't handle, though. Debbie, good morning. Mary, good morning. If some of those showers are particularly intense, we could mix in a little bit of that.
Stop.
Okay. You've been ordered. Happening with temperatures near or above the freezing mark, so there's a lot of moisture involved in this event. And as snow fell upon descent, the snowflakes were melting. And what they do is they ultimately clump together or stick together, sort of like sticky buns in a pan.
It's fist bump worthy.
Yeah.
I mean, that is absolutely.
Can I have a high five?
But first of all, Jeff Porter, you have to take a bow because the weather is just sensational out here.
Blue skies, couple of clouds, a little bit of wind to kind of keep us cool. But we're going to give Keith Thompson all the credit this evening.
Okay.
So, Keith, thank you very much. Category 5 status 157. So we're just below that. Central pressure right now, 927 millibars. In line with the European model, where it hits Florida, just shifted slightly to the west. So that's a change. Where is it going to hit Florida? Listen, there are going to be fluctuations between now and the second part of your weekend. Congratulations, Gabe. You did it. You did it. Beth, congratulations.
How about that smile? News Channel 3's Cool Car Giveaway winner waking up with a new ride. Beth Mikuleski of Mattawan, the 12th person to try her key.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm shaking. Nothing ever like this has ever happened to me.
This may sound stupid, so if it is, go ahead and laugh at me. But
Say you're stupid.
I got that on tape.
Thank you. Thank you, Matt. And thank you, Tom. Where's my Zyrtec?
Yes.
Allegra, whatever it happens to be.
All the above.
Yeah. Kirk, thank you. Okay, very cool pictures from you, our loyal viewers of Mammatus Clouds. First, let's take it to Hartford, courtesy of Eric Dumont, and we'll roll you throughout West Michigan. This is Paw Paw. So what is a Mammatus Cloud? The rain-cooled part of it descends, while the updraft at the same time keeps them suspended. So you sort of get this pillowy look or a pouch-type look. We've got another example thereof in Lawrence from Jeff Pira. So we always appreciate you, our loyal viewers, helping us tell the weather story. Rain in Kalamazoo County. It's rain we want to track right now. We're firing up our storm tracking tools. Let's take it right into Kalamazoo County. What you need to know about our rain, motion here off toward the northeast, generally on the order of about 40 plus miles per hour. Instead of looking at a single point, we're looking at a whole line of rain. That's just meaning the Berry County line. Going to draw our storm track through the east side of Kalamazoo, then arc it northward through Berry County. Again, just on order of about 40 plus miles per hour. That brings steady rain into Richland and Ross and Hastings, 1221, 1233, and 1245. Okay, we're going to put a slice through these storms right now. How tall are they? Essentially on order of about 10,000 feet. All they speak to is the fact that this is more of a rain event right now than a severe weather event. Okay, to that end, Storm Prediction Center just updated the integrity or sort of the consistency of what our storms are going to look like late today and tonight. The slight risk box, the yellow contour, 15% odds for damaging wind gusts and large hail has now been stretched farther northward to include our friends in Grand Rapids, along I-96 in Ottawa County, Kent County, even the lower half of Montcalm County. Simply, it's an afternoon. We're watching live Doppler radar very closely and certainly right into your Wednesday evening. Hour by hour shows the action of right now lifting northward. We're temporarily dry through about 5 p.m. What are we doing? We're reloading. We're introducing some sunshine. We're making the atmosphere more unstable or more ripe for storms. We've got a line of storms at the lakeshore at 7. They're moving toward Kalamazoo at 9. Certainly Kalamazoo down to St. Joe County, Michigan, Indiana line at 11 p.m. You are also stormy. Again, heavy rain reasonable. We could use the rain, but that gusty wind, hail threat, that looms large. Tomorrow morning, we're done. Clouds are going to linger. Hour by hour shows clouds through midday tomorrow. If we get lucky, we'll see some late day sun with highs only in the mid-60s. Now, you say only mid-60s. How about only 54 on Friday? Any rain we see on Friday would not be of the severe variety. Mother's Day on Sunday. Guess what? We've taken rain out of your forecast. Partly sunny at about 70 degrees. As far as the entry into your weekend, we see storms on Saturday. We've cooled off the beginning to your Saturday to 48 degrees. Live on Camera Network on a wet early Wednesday afternoon. I've been watching the rain in Allegan. It's raining right now. 71 at the Kalamazoo Battle Creek International Airport with our 71 southerly winds, 14 miles per hour. We're rain cooled at the lakeshore, like 60 in South Haven, where you haven't seen any rain. It's already 73 in Coldwater. It's a real estate type forecast. 1 to 3 footers at the lakeshore this afternoon. Listen, in any storms, the waves could certainly be bigger than that. 80 degrees. Look for a fair amount of storms to develop after 5 p.m. Our window for potential severe weather through about 11 p.m. 60 degrees tonight. Heavy rain, gusty winds, hail are all on the table, and fresh rainfall amounts around about a half an inch. There's your mostly cloudy but tame Thursday. Rain for Friday, 54. Your stormy Saturday. Fortunately, we get all that stuff out of here just in time for Mom.
Perfect. And like you've been saying, we need the rain.
Yeah.
And if you enjoy going to sleep with that sound in the background, perfect evening for
Yeah, a
you.
little theater, right?
Yeah.
It's great to be able to take pictures outside with Mom on Mother's Day,
Great
right?
point.
I mean,
all you
without
want.
dodging
Great
raindrops, that'll
point.
be nice too. Thank you.